Hey, HSE study crew, picture this. You're at a company picnic, music's pumping, when a coworker burns her hand on the grill. Or your kid gashes their knee skateboarding, blood's pooling fast. Would you freeze or act? That's why we're diving into first aid for everyday emergencies. A practical guide, because knowing these skills can save a life. In 6 minutes, we'll cover how to handle burns, cuts, sprains, what to keep in your kit, and where to learn more. In 2024, over 2 million Americans hit the ER for injuries. First aid could have eased thousands of those. Stick with me. You'll leave ready to tackle emergencies with confidence. Why does first aid matter? It's your lifeline when chaos hits. A slip, a choke, a collapse can happen anywhere. Basic techniques stop bleeding, reduce pain, even keep someone alive until paramedics roll in. Last summer, a cashier in Washington used first aid to save a customer fainting from heat. Quick action, no hospital trip. It's not just heroics, it's peace of mind. Knowing you can help your family, coworkers, or a stranger cuts the panic. A 2025 study showed 80% of trained first aiders felt more in control during crises. That's power, yours to grab. Let's break down common emergencies. First, burns. Say you spill hot coffee at work. Run cool water over it for 10 to 15 minutes. No ice, no creams. Cover with a sterile dressing, like cling wrap if you're out of gauze, and get medical help if it's blistered or big. A chef in Nevada did this last month. Burn healed fast, no scar. Next, cuts and abrasions. Your buddy nicks his finger chopping wood. Press hard with a clean cloth to stop bleeding. Rinse gently with water. Clean with antiseptic and bandage tight. If it's deeper than a 1/4 inch, head to urgent care. A camper in Oregon saved a bad cut this way in 2024. Stitches, but no infection. Sprains and strains like rolling an ankle on a site. Use rice. Rest it. Ice 20 minutes every hour. Compress with an elastic bandage. Elevate above the heart. A worker in Colorado followed rice last winter. Back on the job in a week. These steps are simple, but they work. Your first aid kit's your go-to. Stock it right. Adhesive bandages, sterile gauze, medical tape, antiseptic wipes, scissors, tweezers, burn gel. A parent in Georgia used her kit's wipes last fall to clean a kid's scraped knee. No infection, back to play. Add a CPR face shield. Those pocket-sized barriers make rescue breathing safe, blocking spit or blood. A lifeguard in Florida used one last year on a drowning swimmer. Saved him, no germs. Gloves are a must. Nitrile or latex, they shield you and the victim from bugs. A volunteer in Texas gloved up for a bike crash cut last month. Kept it clean, safe all around. Check your kit every 6 months. Toss expired stuff, restock what's low. Time to test your skills. Real scenarios make it stick. Imagine a coworker collapses, clutching their chest at the office. Check if they're responsive. Call 911. Start CPR if trained. 30 chest pumps, face shield on. A clerk in Arizona did this in 2024. Kept a heart attack victim alive till medics arrived. Or picture a kid choking on a grape at a park. Ask if they can cough. If not, use Heimlich thrusts if you're trained. Pop that blockage out. A teacher in Michigan saved a student that way last year. Practice these. Grab a friend. Try bandaging a fake cut or icing a sprain. Stay sharp. First aid evolves. Red Cross updated burn care tips for 2025. Don't lag behind. Want to go deeper? The American Red Cross at redcross.org has top-notch first aid courses. Online, in person, even apps. A nurse in Virginia took their CPR class last month. Saved a jogger's life. Your local fire station or EMS often runs free workshops. Call them up. A factory in Ohio hosted one last fall. Trained 50 workers. 0 incidents since. Online, check cdc.gov for injury guides or firstaidforfree.com for quick videos. HSEstudy's your hub too. Hit hscstudy.in for free first aid cheat sheets, training links, HSE know-how. Share this with your crew. One watch could turn them into lifesavers. Subscribe to HSEstudy, hit the bell. We're dropping safety smarts weekly. Be the one who's ready. See you next time.